Nye Jedia Ponya Kuponio. Opatafuo nie Yesu Kristo nie. Opatafuo nie. Onkunkunu so nie. Enu ti se usai ne soa. Obeye nchenche mawai. Erinya wihini anampo su se Dubai. The global seer, Asasia no naisia. Opatafuo nie. Wayari se nie. Opatafuo nie. Hey, we hear Yesu nie. Opatafuo nie. Erade nkwaji nie. Se wakane bere umpa. Ejiri pie mu kese wai. Eye dey ma se wo beto ne poma no dade egoti. Wani obe podcast ye Opatafuo enim. Se wanke wo huwa obeya asase tawai. Na me se sheki. Anase wo so wa. Ni chebe ye no be hunu Opatafuo nsem. Eh, ye no grewi. Na ye jinemu. The man I go prophet Opatafuo. Ye jinu grewi. Ye na ye jinemu. Ye man I go prophet Opatafuo. Adiera didi nam prophet Opatafuo no. Okanesi afiraneba. Hey, ye jinu grewi. Na ye jinemu. Ye man I go prophet Opatafuo. Missy ye jinu grewi. Ye jinemu. The man I go prophet Opatafuo. Ye jinu grewi. Ye jinemu. Ye man I go prophet Opatafuo. Genography, yet the Jinemu. The man I go prophet Opatafuo. Yeah, genography, Jinemu. So the mamma be boom. I didn't go be so Opatafuo. No, I'm going to see any papi associate with Robasia Opatafuo. Hey! Adiera didi nam prophet Opatafuo no. Okanesi afraneba. Hey, ye jinu grewi. Na ye jinemu. Ye man I go prophet Opatafuo. Ye jinu grewi. Ye na ye jinemu. Ye man I go prophet Opatafuo. Adiera didi nam prophet Opatafuo no. Okanesi afraneba. Ye no grewi, na ye jinemu. Ye man I go prophet Opatafuo. Ye jinu grewi, ye na ye jinemu. Ye man I go prophet Opatafuo. Yeba. Nana basano ebeti akedi afuo obebu dadi adapan ni oyisumu akurade apie ye man I go prophet Opatafuo erade asiesie no down my dentene enu se sheki anase wosumpa ni chirebe ye no ye behu no Opatafuo nsem enu siga na maye misimo se munya kuma.
Okay, all right, you're all welcome to this wonderful evening. I believe you all are doing fervently well. As a matter of fact, on usual basis like this, on Sundays, we normally do meet on this very same channel. So at this particular juncture, whatever the time may be that you are actually seeing me on your screens, it's not anything new. We are here to engage ourselves on an intellectual dimensions. So kindly stay tuned and don't forget to share this live telecast with a lot of people as much as you can. And in case today happens to be the first time that you're watching, you can as well click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell, so that anytime that we upload a new video or probably come live, you're going to get the live notifications as well. So you're highly welcome once again. You can as well grab your keypads and forward all your thoughts and messages to the comment section, and I will be very glad to receive your messages as well. So for the time being, let's quickly go to the comment section and read some of the messages that we have in there. Our very first message is coming directly from Ebenezer Jr. and it reads, "Science is coming." Thank you very much, Philip Obimba. I believe you are doing still a champion. If Dubo Ahin, Mary Magdalene, I believe you're also doing well. Ebenezer, how you doing? I believe you're also doing fervently well. Elizabeth Odro Mom, how you doing? I believe you're also doing well. Paul Suman, Kofi Echa. We have a lot of messages. And AJ Senior, big ups to you. I believe you're also doing well. Fifi Suman, big ups to you. Rita, how you doing? I believe you're also doing well. Jennifer Piasante, big ups to you. Jeffrey Osei, salute you as well. Mary Frimpong, salute you. You're highly welcome. I believe you're also doing well. Reverend Adakwa, man of God, you're highly welcome as well. Bashiru Fayao, you're welcome as well. Roger Joseph, how you doing? I believe you're also doing well. Aponsa Felix, how you doing? I believe you're also doing well. Now let's move on. Dinah Owusu, Mama Dinah from UK, I believe you're also doing well. Alex, Dr. Drew Akweji, salute you as well. I believe you're also doing well. Kwame Pia Salat, salute you as well. I believe you're also doing well. Augustine Aqua, Doreen Sewa Brefo, I believe you're doing wonderful with your let me pause there. Okay. Shina, how you doing? I believe you're doing well. Yaofori say, I believe you are doing well as well. And then Linda, Mrs. Linda Hansen, big ups to you. I believe you are doing well. Oh my goodness. Maybe Snyako, you're highly welcome as well. You see, my channel has been tempered once again. My channel has been tempered once again. So even if people come online, you're not going to see it. You're going to see it as few people who are online. When they started, basically on the 12th of April, when they tried and they couldn't. When I actually misplaced my two phones. Ever since I started coming live, the viewership has been reduced. And I know these are some of their doings. So it's just by the way, you just let it be as how it is. They have been tormenting me on my channel. It is not as easy as you people think. So you're highly welcome. Well, let's move on. You can as well leave your comment at the comment section for me. Reverend Joseph Jima, you're highly welcome as well. Please, if you have any message, don't hesitate. Pin it to the comment section for me. Kojapi Asante, salute you, sir. I believe you're doing great. OPATAFUOR, I'm in the building. I'm doing fervently well. Still right. I believe you're also doing well. Joseph Opoku, I believe you're also doing. You're highly welcome. You all are welcome. We are still on course. And as a matter of fact, we're not afraid of anybody. Once you have Jesus, I'm always with Jesus. So there's nothing to be afraid of. So that's just by the way. Please, if you have any message, kindly come to the comment section and then pin your messages to that place for me. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Daniel Murray says, please, what about the Rhyme TV channel? Well, the Rhyme TV, we were actually having a lot of issues. So I had to shut down and then focus probably on this very channel. But when they automatically takes everything out, you see, they are people who doesn't want people to know that this is what they are actually doing behind closed doors. I know a lot of people that they have been doing that too. If you don't toe their lane and you decide to go solo, this is what they will do to you. They will hibernate your channel where people will not be able to see it. So even when you come live, people will not be notified. And they have been doing that to a lot of people, if you understand what I'm saying. So that's the whole show. So they're not going to take it down. Once they do that, pressure will come on them. But they will try controlling your channel bit by bit. And this is exactly what they have been doing for time immemorial. So let's Leave it as how it is. Whatever be the case, glory be to the great one. Okay, now let's move on. Linda says, Papa, please, is it okay to have a gun for your self-defense as a Christian? Linda, let me tell you the truth. In this end time, the world doesn't necessarily treat people fairly. Go and get for yourself a gun. Me, OPATAFUOR, I have 2 guns. One is a pistol, one is a pump action gun. The pump action gun, it takes 8 rounds. And the pistol, right now, as I'm shooting this live stream with you people, I have gun here. I'm telling you. It's just that I can't show it to you because it goes against the laws of the land. There is gun with me. Gun, 16 round pistol. Let me tell you the truth. If you come and mess up, don't recite at the back of your mind that you can just barge into my room and feel like hurting me or something like that. Anytime, even let me tell you, the car that we had accident with, that very car, there was pump action gun in it, fully loaded, 8 rounds. Let me tell you the truth. So don't sit down and say you're a Christian, so because of that, you're not going to protect yourself. Let me tell you, the world is not fair to people, especially you people that has a very good heart. The world is not going to be nice to you people. So protect yourself. Do whatever that you can within your possibility to protect yourself. Everywhere that I go, I have guns with me. Let me tell you, if you attack me physically, how do you want me to react? Somebody is attacking you with bullets, knives, and guns. Then you are telling me I should go and pray. Please, that doesn't work in my chamber. If you want it in a gun way, we go the gun way. And even the gun, I have special bullets. The special bullets, I have taken my time to prepare it through spiritually. So that if you are a robber and you think, oh, I have gone for gun charms, so when you shoot a bullet at me, it will not be able to penetrate. You are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. So please, Linda, protect yourself. Protect yourself. Go and get a gun and protect yourself. It is highly advisable to get that. The world is very mean to people that has good hearts. I'm telling you the truth. The world is very mean to people that has good heart. So once you sit down and have these perceptions that I don't have any issues with anybody, so after a while, should I go and get myself those kind of objects? Let me tell you, there is somebody hiding somewhere who has been monitoring your steps every now and then. And if they should get a chance, I'm telling you the truth, they will never even waste just a second. They will come after you. So get yourself prepared. Protect yourself. Go to the security sector and then seek for security advice. A public figure of my type not having a gun, oh, no. That shouldn't be the case. Go there, license the gun. License the gun. Just license the gun. They will give you a license. Then every year you renew it. And that is it all. So protect yourself, okay? Don't be deceived. You see, they have been using tactics and all forms of strategy and manipulations at you Christian. They know that once you Christians becomes wise, there's nothing left for them again. There's nothing left for them again. Once you become wise in the system, there's nothing left for them again. Once you become wise and knows how to carry yourself in a society, how to protect yourselves publicly, physically, spiritually, they know very well that there's nothing left on the table for them, and they can't do you any harm. So please think like a normal rational being. Put your faith aside. Put your faith aside. Put your faith aside and do the needful. That is what I'll tell you. Put your faith aside. At first, they used to tell you people that how can a Christian involve themselves in politics? Having forgotten that politics started right from the celestial dimension. So if in case there should be anybody who should be involved in politics, it should be a Christian. It should be the pastor. It should be the apostle. It should be the reverend minister who has the Spirit of God and has the cry of the people at heart. These are the very ones who can help build the society. Imagine somebody who has gone to a fetish priest, and when the person went to the fetish priest just to fortify his or herself, I'm talking in respect of a politician. Now this person has been instructed to bring the body parts of maybe a kid. Do you think this particular person will hesitate that I will not do it? They will do it without even having a second thought about that. They will go straight and do it. Catch your own son or daughter, unalive the child and cut the part that they are in need of, and go and do whatever that they deem it fit with it. So you see, imagine if Christians were to be part of politics. Imagine how the world would have been shaped. Just ask yourself, imagine if Christians, the true ones, I'm not talking in respect of those who have been serving calendar and stuff like that, who are very wicked in the system. Imagine if true Christians were to be part of politics. Imagine how the world would have been transformed. We have left everything in the care of these wicked people who doesn't necessarily have the cry of the vulnerable ones in the society at heart. And they are destroying us every now and then. Look at how hard the system has become. They have their agenda. You see, the truth of the matter is that these people, they are one step ahead of us. They think a step ahead of us. So sometimes they necessarily hide behind scenes and engineered certain thought. They made you people believe in things they know at the end of the day is not going to yield any positive dividends. So they went straightly to tell you people that as a Christian, why should you involve yourself in politics? Politics is the game of the devil. Let me tell you, since day one, it has always been like that. It's either God or the devil. So if it is the game of the devil, let God steps in and change the narrative, and that is it all. You see? So they have been using that tactics. Now look at the lives of the Christians across the global world. Now when you go to Nigeria, look at how these people are being killed on the normal basis. Why? Because they have been brainwashed in the extent that to an extent where even the Christian has been made to believe that if somebody attacks you and you attack the person back, that is not the way of a Christian. That is not the way of a true believer. That is how you people have been made to believe. You have been made to believe that even when somebody attacks you, don't attack the person back. Don't retaliate. Give everything to God. Are you a dumb or what? Things doesn't work like that. Things doesn't work like that. Somebody is attacking you in the society, trying to take your life, and you are sitting there watching the person in the name of being whatsoever that you call yourself. You're a believer. My friend, I don't believe like that too. No, I don't believe like that. I don't believe like that. I show action. That is my nature. I don't believe like that. I show action. So me, if you bring nonsense to my doorstep, I'll bring something that is more than nonsense to your doorstep as well. And if possible, penetrate and come to your sitting room and bring it in there. If you people were to be told to carry yourself and behave in this manner, do you think you people would have been taken for granted? Ask yourself, if you were being told to prepare yourself in this manner, do you think you would have been taken for granted in the society? No, you wouldn't have been taken for granted. Today, there is no respect. They look down upon you Christians. They share the national cake among themselves. That is why they find themselves in secret society and other confraternities and stuff like that. And when their grandmaster authoritate them to bring the part of a human, they catch the daughter of a Church of Pentecost, Assemblies of God, CAC, the one who is less protected. They catch you and use you for rituals. And that is the brain behind. So please, Madam Linda, don't allow anybody to deceive you. I am somebody that I will never deceive you. If I am to talk, once I open my mouth, I will definitely tell you the truth. In this life, when you are talking, tell the truth. And the other way around, not all truths are to be told. So once I keep my mouth shut, it means I'm not ready to tell you any truth. But once you see me talking like this, it means I must tell you the truth. And that is it all. So you'll be there and they'll be deceiving you. As a Christian, when they slap you, you must forgive the person. And that is the way of Christ. You are mad. I'm there, I've not done you anything, and you want to slap me and I should forgive you and let it go scot-free just like that. And that is the way of a Christian. You see, they have been using certain code of actions to define whom a Christian should be. Have you realized that when you necessarily act like a fool, this is where they congratulate you and say you are a true Christian. When you start becoming wise, they say, this is not the way of a Christian. A Christian is not supposed to be like that. Who told you? Even the true teachings of Jesus Christ, the true teachings of Jesus, you people have buried it under the carpet. Now you have built all kinds of system around the noble man, and you have thrown out all his teachings and doctrines, his belief systems, how he came to clean the system with all the misqualified energies that you people have created. This is how the world has come to be. When you become, when you are a fool to them, they will tell you, yes, that is the way of a Christian. If you are being cheated upon severally, that is the way of a Christian. When somebody misbehave and fool around, toy around with you, you shouldn't say anything. Don't open your mouth. Keep your mouth and hide or sit at one corner. And that is the way of a Christian. I'm telling you, that is never the way of a Christian. If that is the way of a Christian, Jesus wouldn't have taken a rod and go to the church and beat the hell out of people. That is not. Jesus believes in justice. And that has always been the norms of the day. Justice. A man should be served with justice based on your intent. So me, I don't judge people when you transcend to the higher dimension. We don't judge people based on their action. On this earthly realm here, we judge people based on their action. But when you ascend highly to our level, we judge people based on their intent. And that is how it is. So sometimes you might see people exhibiting certain weird characters, some awful manners, And you, because you have been made to believe in certain systems, you might be tempted to judge those people. But me, there are certain behavioral patterns that when people exhibit, I don't necessarily judge them. But the intention, the intent behind it, that is what I judge. And that is exactly what this entire celestial bureaucracy, that's what they believe in. They don't believe in maybe somebody has just slapped so, and probably because of that, they feel you have slapped the person, because that's exactly what it meets the mortal eyes. But when you go behind the scenes, what led to that action? That is the intent. Judge people based on their intent. The intention, the mindset behind every action, that is what is supposed to be judged, but not the action. So you see, that is the whole truth. You must understand certain things. Now let's move on to another message. Now, Nana J says, great one. Why has our system, especially in Ghana, has so much advertisement on aphrodisiac? Does it have any spiritual connection against humanity, especially men? You see, you must understand certain things. Majority of the aphrodisiac that you people have been taking in, it goes against your health. You see, the way they have necessarily built the system, they have taken their time to study the vulnerable ones in the society. And after taking so many actions and forms into consideration, they have prepared a system for you people to live in within. It's like you all have been caged in one cage. So it's either A or B. Now ask yourself, the issues of these aphrodisiac and stuff, go and take these bitters. When you take the bitters, your manhood will become very strong. You can perform sexually for 3 hours, 2 hours. A whole lot of drugs in the system. Now, have you asked yourself, what are the health implications after taking those drugs? Now, most of the aphrodisiac that you people have on the market, these are certain things you people should note down once you have the intention of going to buy those aphrodisiac. One, when you take any pill or tablet or any syrup with the intention of enhancing your sexual performance, and then all of a sudden you start experiencing some headaches, your head will be aching you, your heart will be paining you, then you see that your esophagus will necessarily become dry, as if you want water to drink. You see, when you start experiencing that, then it means that the aphrodisiac you people have taken in, it is going down to fight your kidney. It is going to fight your kidney. I'm telling you, the agenda behind it is to sit behind closed doors, create problems for you people. The agenda behind these aphrodisiac and stuff like that, you sit yourself down and then ask why there have been so many tablets in the system, especially what you are referring to. What you people are referring to. The men will attest to the fact that when you take majority of the aphrodisiac, all of a sudden, instantaneously, you'll be experiencing some headaches, some heart pains, and a very dry esophagus. Ask yourself that. Why does these necessary symptoms happen to you? You see, it is 4 things that the devil has proposed within the labyrinthine corridors of human existence. They have sat down to engineer 4 things that will necessarily destroy humanity. And the first one is health. You'll be there, they will tell you this is a herbal medicine, come and buy it. This herbal practitioners, do you know that they just go into the bush and pluck some trees, manipulate systems, then get licenses? Then they add these foreign drugs to it at the same time. I'm telling you the truth. There are some herbal practitioners who just go into the bush, pluck some leaves. Maybe they might have heard a story about that particular leaf or herb, that when you take it, it will be able to curb situations like this. Now they just go into the bush, pluck that particular tree, now come home, prepare, and they add the foreign drugs to it at the same time behind closed doors when you people are not there. After that, they package it into a bottle, and then they sell it out to you people. Those who actually produced these herbal drugs, if you tell them that they should take some, they will never take it, because they know very well that they have actually added something which will derail your health system. This is what is going on. So the herbal practitioners, not all of them, over 90% of them are doing people more harm than good. These herbal medicine sellers out there, when you go on several markets, they have some fancy way of advertising their medicine. Especially, they will tell you, when I went to Ivory Coast, when you go to Ivory Coast, this particular medicine that I'm selling to you, they don't joke with it. When you go there, and then you try selling it out, all of it, within twinkle of an eye, it will be sold out. Now the question in here is that, who doesn't want his market to be booming? Everybody wants to sell out. So if you know very well that when you go to Ivory Coast and when you decide to sell your medicine, and they will purchase it instantly, or it will be sold out just like that, why should you waste your time and come to Ghana? These are all marketing strategy just to lure the people that has low mentality. I'm telling you the truth. So in this end time, a lot of people are passing on the screens. They are transiting to hates. Samado. Edipe kwa samado anopa wie nwumre. Enso omomre nson. A lot of people are giving up the ghost, but their time are not due. Why? Because of this health system. Why should you have to take a medicine that will enhance your sexual performance? Maybe if you have any infection, you should treat it out. Treat any infection that you have. Especially you, these guys that you people take delight in sugar content. If you are a man, stay away from any food that consists of sugar. If you can't stay away from that particular food product, then you must make sure that after taking in that particular food, you work on yourself. The reason why most of you people can't perform in bed is because of that. The sugary food that you people have been taking. Imagine a man eating shawarma. A man eating shawarma. What is wrong with you? A man, a whole man, eating shawarma, and after eating that food product, you expect to perform well in bed. After eating those food stuff, you expect to perform well in bed. Please, it doesn't work like that. So stay away from anything that has to do with sugar. As a man, stay away. Stay away. As a man, stay away from anything that has to do with sugar. Stay away, or else it will affect your sexual performances in bed. You see, so the brain behind it, they are causing heart attacks, they are causing headaches, they are probably causing kidney failures a lot, prostate cancer. All these things are happening because of these so-called bitters that you people have been taking. The bitters that you people have been taking. It has been killing you. You people are not aware. So take very good care of yourself. This has nothing to do with Satan having the agenda to maybe enslave human or anything of that sort. No. You have been eating shawarma. A man. Bema would shawarma. Where we enye kura, where we enye bako see. Bema onum cola, onum fanta. Where we enye. Bema onum cola, onum fanta. Bema. And what in your to shawarma, esadi cola, any fanta see whom you think you are eating rich. Sana wageni yo. Obema be se choka ye de chro board so kiti ebeka de obedun so munku ara de wepino. Okay, so let's get back to business. In case if you have any message, you can as well leave it at the comment section for me. What exactly do you want to know? Stay away from those things. Or if yes, still, if you can't stay away from that, then I'm sorry, you can't also perform in bed. Your manhood will become as small, tiny thing. Especially the most dangerous thing ever to man's health. Let me tell you the truth. Anytime that you dream and you see that particular product in your dream, just open your eyes. And the product is milk. As a man, never entertain milk in your life. I'm telling you the truth. As a man, never entertain milk in your life. One, after taking in milk, the end result is as plenty as the sea, the sun at the shore of the sea. A man with milk. Stay away from milk. As a man, stay away. Unless maybe you have that capacity to cleanse off your system after taking in the milk. If you don't have any way to cleanse off your system, stay away from milk as a man. I'm telling you the truth. Stay away. 100%. Stay away from anything that contains milk. It's a very dangerous thing. Milk is a very dangerous thing. One, you see, when you take in milk, one, you'll be having a bloating stomach. Two, you will be fluctuating anyhow if care is not taken. When you take milk, the way you fluctuate, if care is not taken, you will disgrace yourself publicly. Do you know why? Because after everything, there are some byproducts in the form of gas Right? Now, after you fluctuating anyhow, now when you go to the washroom to ease yourself, just check the stools that comes out. Just check the stools that comes out. What is the end product? Now, the worst thing that makes it very dangerous is that milk alone can produce about 60% mucus. Do you know mucus? The mucus, do a research on it. The mucus, they are the let's say enzymes or something like that produces phlegm. And you know that for a man to get sick, unless the mucus attacks your health system, apart from these sexually transmitted infections and stuff like that, but on a normal basis like malaria, fever, typhoid and stuff like that, when there's too much phlegms in you, it can also affect your sexual performance. So milk is not something that you should tolerate. Milk is not something that you should tolerate. If you like, you can give it to a baby, not you that you are matured. A boy from 18 years and above, stay away from milk. Stay away from it. I'm telling you the truth. Sometimes you think, oh, let me enjoy life. There's nothing to enjoy when it comes to milk. It will only weaken your system. I'm telling you the truth. I didn't just come out and say things. Anything that I tell you, I have experienced it. I have conducted a research behind closed doors and I know exactly what I'm saying. Go and check what the mucus does to human body, the harm that they create. And when you necessarily takes in milk, what the milk usually does when it comes to mucus and stuff like that. Go and check it. Enti bema die adenti na ose wo kono milk. Nti na ye mpanyimfo na omunum tea ni ade nyina no. To say minum tea no. Sa ye mpanyimfo ni nyina na I wiki omo bema. Nti na ye the milk ma akwala onya 12 years. Ye the milk ma akwala onya 12 years. Nti from 12 years down, be from the day you were born to your, let's say, 12 years of age. Right from that, you see, some of these young guys, right from the age of 12 to your 18 years, this is where you be developing muscles and stuff like that. Then they have also been advertising on their screens, all media platforms, telling you people that when you take in milk, this is where it will give you energy and then vitamins and stuff. These are all lies. I'm telling you, behind closed doors, you people don't know what is happening. You don't know what is happening. These days, you go to hospital and the sort of sickness that people are experiencing, what people are going through, you kind of wonder and ask yourself, how did you arrive at this? How? So please, eat healthy. As a man, stay away from milk. Stay away from milk. As a man, stay away from milk. If you are from 18 to, let's say, 60, 65 years, stay away from milk. Now, when you get your 70 years of age, that one, you can eat milk. Maybe that time you have enjoyed yourself very well and there's nothing there for you to do again. So you can give all the rest of your strength to milk, if you understand what I'm saying. Or else when you take in milk, yeah, mema na mope milk no, mope shawarma, mope milk, adie bi eye tentan. Saa nneɛma na mope ni nyinaa no, untimi ni oba perform da. Adentia. The intini say, kwanya obema ɛfa so no oba edi ahia ɛma otimi performing. Entini na ɛwɔ obema ɛda osisi ɛkɔsɔ oba ni obema ni mu no. Ɛwɔ sɛ de bia emu yɛ clean na emu jatimi pompi kɔ. Sɛ ne bɛ ya obema no hu ntini no. Ebetimi asɔre na etimi agina so. But mumu bi wɔ hɔ a aduane na amudie no. Saa entini na awo say e connect na ma emoja akọ obema ne side ho no na etimi pompi moja go testicles ne bema na aduana ankasa na etimi sore no ubohu say saa nnuane na amudi na a blocky entini no a ayese pipe no entini na ayese pipe no e blocky no afei e blocky wi a emoja ne ntimi penetrate yie. Emoja no so ntimi penetrate here, which means obema no ntimi pagya nyina so nche. So enti obi o hoso so a usisi no ye wade bi afa no milkers no omo na produce amaman. Enti obi a amaman woni mu bebrebe bia no udi moka enye maw tieni Moi, mudi milk, amamai wo mu bebrebe a. Sa amamai no so no, eye milk so no. Eno na enzymes bi wo mu a ahodin bi a wosenka omu produce ma wo no. Sa amamai no timi ma wo ye mre, o system ye mre. Etubon say how I was a system no a function in reality no. Intimi function sa. Moi, musralia mudi bayra yachie kokwa yachie bodi yachie enyom nkoa no wabrabo ye yachi odi e de yachi nkoa na ope wososo wo se nipa no akoma yale empa ho da o pressure empa ho da eni subiri empa ho da odi agrokra be se nya John de saka odi bibia yachi udi obibi ayache bibia yache bayra yache na imagine bema yache fried rice sir. You see fried rice no radi nyankopon mo bo ka me hwemu say ya mo bo ubibia yache everything about you yache ubewu kwa enti obi ho be ko hospital no yese nakoma ho no nakoma na ho no so a onim ade a waya ama nakoma aho no obi ho a onim de waya ama nakoma aho no sa na tiyo obeko hospital no na ne nansi nyina tatai anwa wo ne system too much ni bibia ya anwa ubewu se na osere ubewu se na osere. You people, you are joking with certain things. Now, Reverend Adakwa says that in Europe, especially cold weather, we drink tea morning, afternoon, night. Yes, that is why so many bloggers always they are online YouTube, and the reason why they are on YouTube is that they are looking for a medicine, a capsule, a bitters that when they take, they can power a woman. Do you know why? Because of what they have been taking, they are not aware of it. And that thing has been destroying their sexual performances and stuff like that. It has been deteriorating their health system. Enti wono udi achira me se uti abrochire na wohwɛ na awonti ufi say awonti no untimi a deɛ wɔsɛ woyɛ yɛ baako pɛ deɛ wɔsɛ woyɛ yɛ baako pɛ deɛ wɔsɛ woyɛ yɛ baako pɛ kɔpɛ either say lime ana lemon na pɛ natural ɛwoɔ na fa si hɔ osɔre anɔpa na wɔn yɛ hiti nsuo te sɛ deɛ woyɛ tii no na wɔkyim ankantwɛdeɛ na gum kyim ankantwɛdeɛ no gum wokyim ankantwɛdeɛ no gum a na wode ɛwoɔ kakra agum enti wode ɛwoɔ kakra gum a na wastɛ so ate ase na ɛwoɔ no ma ne nɔɔso bebree wowie a na wanom onum a one ankantwɛdeɛ no ɛkɔ ɛwoɔ no mame ni kan firi ɛwoɔ no ekokum ekuro ɛwoɔ sei ekum ekuro obi wɔ ha ni kotodwe nyinaa yɛ ne ya na apɔ so obi wɔ ha enkuro wɔ ne mu ni sisi bi wɔ ha ne to ase ne nantini na ɛtwene se yɔ adentia ekuro nkoa na ekuro adeɛ baako a master die firi akristofoɔ wɔ ne sɛ ɔmo adwene da ɔmo tiri mu no ɛyɛ ɔmo sɛ agye sɛ ɔmo yare da hɔ ansa na ɔmo akɔ hospital saa na akristofoɔ adwene yɛ ɔmo so ɔmo gye sɛ ɔyare da hɔ na ne se anwe ansa na wakɔ hospital ɛnyɛ saa na abrabɔ ne ti o onipa system no ɛte sɛ car enti car na eduru baabi akɔsesa o dirty oil ukɔsesa wei enti abrabɔ na wo bɔ no wo deɛ wo system no unsesa hwee ɛna wo kɔba na kpididi obi ha inflammations ɛna ekunu ne system nyinaa wayɛ weak na poso now saa wei ɛwɔ na wo de agu nsuo mu no na ɛboa na ekunkum enkuro na reduce wo pressure na wo system na emu odwuma wo na ultimate function very well now ankantwɛdeɛ da uchi mu yɛ no edigu nsuo no mu no ɛkɔ clear uminimu bacterias bi a akɔka uminimu mo a motapɛ blow job ne ade saa no am sɛ munim bacteria obi wɔ hɔ no ma wɔ infection so enti saa ankantwɛdeɛ ne nsuohia no ɛkɔ clear bacterias bi afiri uminimu esophagus no mu ne wakoma obi wɔ hɔ sadeɛ na adɔre na koma na harawa ho nyinaa sadeɛ adɔre na harawa ho obi wɔ hɔ bacterias bi abɛtale wo minim ama okasa sɛbsɛbsɛb previous na pampan di akyire ni nyinaa wonom saa ensuohie na wode ankantwɛdeɛ akyim ade agu ankantwa na lemon ana lime akyim agu nsuohie de ɛwɔ kakra bi asom na bo sɛ a cleaning system ni mu nyinaa good wedi dabi bra no obenum de obenum na de besiasi enti obefiri America beba no na bra na yekutu na ade ufi sɛ nyame na ehira no nyankopɔn hira wa no kyerɛ sɛ obeye kutu nyankopɔn hira wa kyerɛ sɛ obeye kutu uma bra ya aduane a ontimi ndi ade so otwa bites ade sɛ bra ne twa bites ade so otwa bites ansa na wetimi adi na wo abrabɔ na wo namu no abrabɔ no wo bɔ ne sɛn this utwa bites ansa na bra no wetimi adi fufuo tromo ase oya sa ubewu kwa so you see you must eat healthy. You see, when you get to your 45 years of age, every man or every woman should listen. When you get to your 45 years of age, don't eat according to your taste. When you get to your 45 years of age, don't eat according to your taste. Eat according to your health. Minimize the intake of certain things. Minimize the intake of certain things. Minimize the intake of certain things, okay? Onyenya 45 years a mesrɛw ɛhwɛ w'anum ɔda so na nidi na emom no make sure say wobɛhwɛ w'apɔmuden ho na wadidi. What you say? Ubehu bema baako na wagye fufuo enam ahodoɔ bebrebe na wɔwe nam ne wie so a onye ne ho aduro na ɔde akɔda ehwa nkromo ubem yankase besi abɔ atum no ka ore befo odi fufuo awi akrantie ti wanya ho aduro wanya hwee na odi akrantie ti na kɔda na akrantie ti ni gu afum obi o ha ope pork wa we pork bebrebe obi o ha wa we otwen furu asa di sebi otwen agya nan nyina wo de aye nkwan na wasisa gu mu na wakosi ho se utie news me be to ho a wo be hu de ebesi huh? Huh? So, and you see, some of you people too. You see, you are the ones who have been causing problems for yourself. Oh. You people have been causing problems for yourself. Please, with all due respect, work on yourself for me. Okay? Work on yourselves for me. I'm begging you, work on yourselves for me. I want you to eat healthy. Onya ohwaduro, onya hwe. And one say, oh dear, akrantie nkwan. Akrantie ni bofuro. Sebe no adi wotwe bi ni nkwa. Na ukura de the how, e de pa ne how. Ukona sister yi ehye na oye kukuru abaka so oye abepa. Akrantie bi ni wote woni ne ku e wo jare ho kukuru nyina ye otwe bi ni. E de ne how. Otwe ne nam kura anye onani bi ni na bejo. Urade. Ye urade. Mini amai mo ho ahometi o. Ha? Edio. Radi. Enti. Say sister ne nam ho nyina oba yiri nyina say ye kopai ne yemu a say wadi akrantie ni otwin bi ni nkwan o na odi si wosa no. Enka oba asori a ono nko a uprichi na sister isi ho no oda. Uprichi na brai da adintia wa wi akrantie ni bofuro enyama bebrebe. Nyama bebrebe na sister ne da ho wote ho nyina wo ka praise the Lord kura gu na so ati wono kura jade o ke gan kura me ya wi akrantie bi ni yi nyama na yesadi enkurumai atufufuo yi so na sister ya titi egu ni yem sister imu na wamu na nyina wote wo nyina okodi wotwe bi ni nkwan enu nti na wamu na no enti between nyame asem ni wotwe bi ni no sister na twe ayi wotwe bi na gya urade. Madam Linda says, Papa, a Nigerian friend cooked something and the neighbors call police that they think someone is wow. Oh, of Nigeria. Watimi akoye nkwan e wo abrochire ama abrofo no se oboka se obi ewu ofie ho. Oh, Erade. 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 No. Nana J says, but Papa, please, we hope you are not going to deny us with Akrantian Kwine on 29th. if you eat akranteɛ nkwan, after taking the akranteɛ nkwan, you must also work on your health systems as well. I'm not saying you shouldn't take it. You must take it, but you must work on your health system because it will affect you. It will affect you. Okay? It will affect you, please. So you must eat healthy and work on yourselves. Those days, the herbs that these grass cutters and antelopes used to eat. In these modern times, we don't have that particular herbs anymore. So if in the 1990s, 1980s, our forefathers and grandfathers, they used to use the akrantie bini for enkwanya. With all due respect, and that's akrantie bini no as a sound. And then the poison in the and no bine. If you okra akrantie no, the poison and the ku mochi warm. So, and nipa ni ahoto, nipa ni ahoto. The entire ya me kasa bebrebe no, opatafuo nye bibia nti o, nipa ni ahoto. Nipa ni ahoto. Nipa ni ahoto. Me obi a me penam. Mishia Mr. Say obi a on penam. Because oya o say na ensem bebrebe. But me penam because me papa wo de nam na tete yen. Me papa wa amfa. Me papa amfa starch to say emo fufuo no. Though ye wo fufuo de bia but me papa amfa no na tete yen. Me papa na oye hunter into what the enam wie no de tete yen. Enti me penam pa extremely. But enam no me wiwie ya na me koye me ho aduro. Adentia because udi agro ebe create problems e the amount. But obi wo ho a obewi nam bia bi enso onya ne ho aduro. Onya ne ho aduro. No ode ne nam no okọ no oba. Na say ni system no. Enti me nsuro nam bia. Enam bia de bemam bia say me penko a Mary. But when I eat it, I have to make sure say me working on myself. Oh, obi oha toxins na e won system mu kra. Oyi mfam free ni system ni. Ye obi oha e ko be 4 years, 5 years ni. Enuane a wadi hu nyina toxins. Enuane a ye de good polythene bag mu amanadi. Enuane a de good take away mu amanadi. Ni nyina e ho toxins na aka no. Akogina ni mu. Akogina sister ni mu, akogina bra ni mu. Onye ne ho aduro no wayi sa toxins no. Ama afa na janan mu abesene ko. Ana afa ne junso mu abesene ko. Ene wone nam ho no ko ba banchire. Wa bra bo nye. Osusu aduani bia obedi. So please, you must understand that we are like car, okay? So once you keep up with your day-to-day activities, you must also realize that you work on your human system, okay? My goodness. You must work on yourself, okay? You must work on yourself. You must work on yourself. You must work on yourself. So that at the end of everything, it will not create any problems for you, okay? Nana J. Senior says, Papa, can you believe I ate akrantie nkwan on Sunyani Kumasi Road? And the following morning, my face was looking like I had a heavyweight boxing match. Yes. And once you see that, it means it is affecting your kidney. It is affecting your kidney. It is affecting your kidney. You see, sir, unya 45 years. Ye woni oma miensa bi wo ha me pa cha untimi mani mfiri wa brabo mu da. Ye woni oma miensa bi se me ka se me de chewa. Ye woni oma miensa bi wo ha eni kwa se firi wa brabo. So unya 45 years unya 45 years eni kwa se sa de no e firi wa brabo mu da. The first one, coconut water. Coconut water, sa ekube nsuo no. Oye oba obema. Eni kwa so mani fa efiri wa brabo mu da. And was say either every morning and every 3 days bia no. Ubo kube nsuo na ono. Adentia. Kube nsuo no. Nejuma eye ne say flash out toxins bia ewo system mu. Flash out toxins bia ewo system mu. Enti se wakodi poison bi, wakodi aduane bi, wakoye bibi bi. Ena emu byproduct bi abeka o system ni mu a ebe hawa. Kubensuo no be flash ni nyina out. Inti ida say ebe fase bi waja nan mu ana odwonso mu apie. The same kubensuo ya ehohoro akoma no ho. Ebia na poison bi ana sadie bi akotare akoma no ho. Kubensuo no be bene afiri hono. Aw say kubensuo wo electrolyte. Sa kubensuo ya wo diabetes. What diabetes? Nyam, you see, sugar kosro. Sa sugar kosro, sugar kofom. Sa sugar kosro, ekofom, ekosro. Sa story no biyetia. Makubensu entimiu. Me OPATAFUOR na me kachro. Makubensu entimiu. Wakuma, o pressure, ekosro. O pressure abafom, ekosro, ebafom. Sa long story no biyetia wasuma. Makubensuo entimi first ana me wo boshen no obeba no na kubensuo kube bebregu inipa bebre nti ase se papa pe kube o enye sem na me pe kube o enye sem na me pe kube nemom kube no eye nsuo a eye onyankopon natural drink nyankopon na prepare Nyankopon ono na prepare enti eniani nuro ene ahoɔden a ɛwɔ kube nsuo mu no enya ade ketwa so ati ase enti unya wo 45 years na wo kwa sister bra kube nsuo should be number 1. Kube nsuo it should be number 1. I'm telling you the truth. Kube nsuo should be number 1. When you ask my boys, I order them, then they will go a long way to go and buy kube for me. They'll go there to go and buy coconut. And when they come, I only crack it open and then take the juice out of it. If you understand what I'm saying. Enti kubensuo ye enyoma bebre wo nipa duam. Kubensuo na wo say ye waduane pa kese baako coconut water, especially ufri abusia diabetes woman. Kubensuo mani your priority. Kubensuo kube me OPATAFUOR na meka kubensuo wo de wo ho na ase wo ho twetwe ase wani so bliu ase wakoma ase wo honam ye obasa num kubensuo ne me na maka kire num kubensuo se hospital kra obesi ubeko hospital a kubensuo ye ade a Nyankopon a prepare ne special, especially wo a woso wo a wo ye obolofo ni ahoden enti makubensuo nya wo number 1. Makubensuo kube Coconut water should be your number one drink. And yet the like prepare and we those carbonated drinks and stuff like that. Kube should be your number one. Intimate boys, you know. Now Omontias say, "Dintina de bia papa me ekoto kube." Now the spiritual aspect of it and the physical, kube nsu ankasa so onum no every day. So the one aka kube nsu no kura keke no. E ma wo kra ye din. Kube nsu. So tanum kube nsu a e ma wo kra ye din. Kube nsu number one. Kube nsu is everything. Share. Na odie onipadua no onya ne hwe. Na oni nam wiase sa sister ni nam America. Banchire sa sister be wo. Oh, OPATAFUOR the most troublesome pastor. Obi a wedi 45 years bia mesraw. Let not a week pass by you without taking coconut water. I'm telling you the truth. Let not a week pass by you if you are aged beyond 45 years. Let not a week pass by you without taking a coconut water. And Linda says, Papa, we don't get fresh ones in Colorado Springs. So which ones do you get over there? Which ones do you get over there? Which ones do you get over there? Joseph Opoku says, the coconut water has spiritual benefits. Yes, so many. Yes. Coconut water. Yes. Teresa Aplivi. It makes it affects or it works on the brain and the eyes of the child. Say unum kubensua, unum kubensua. Kubensuo no ehohoro wani so. Enti saa minhu ade yie glaucoma ne ade ene saa ne omani nyina ehohoro wani so. Ye o mema ni bi o ha mudi mani akohwe ade bi a ensese ye hwe. Ye o mema ni bi o a sebe mpraduasa makohwe oba bi a ha mu ensese ye hwe eni kwase ka hwe ho. If you saw her saa lady na woman na ha mu wie no mpacho onse wadi so ye wisi sanet ye 80 coconut water dear. In fact, it tops all. Please, I'm not talking in respect of the ones in bottle. Any coconut water that you can find in a can is not an authentic one. It has been laced with what we call sugar. Don't deceive yourself. Don't go and buy it. You just get the fresh fruit, open it, just crack it open and take the juice and drink it yourself personally. There is no coconut water that should be preserved in any can. Anything in can automatically becomes a carbonated. Why? Because they will add food preservatives in it. Enti kubensuo ati se obi onyem na onnom no ehohoro akwala na ni so obewo akwala na ni ye fita na akwala no yare basa ati se anemia ne saa niam no ebi nya akwala no enti ema wo ye fresh Uni maniama e wo kube nsuo. Ah, me se num kube nsuo keke. Kube nsuo num kube nsuo keke. Oho be ye den saa bibia ntimi nyew. Kube nsuo ye very important. Ebenezer Adunya obani ankasotra me bono. Nanaji, no, please. No. Felix Bibi, no. Felix Bibi, no. Felix Bibi, no. Enti kubensuo de spiritually ene ne de ye omo a promise and fail obi wo ha wo hye ne bo a e di ma no. Oh, obi wo ho no a wo hye ne bo a saa e bo hye na wa hye no e mamu da bibi besi. Obi wo ho no a manfo hye ne bo pa bata mam ene ye de kubensuo ne ye de ye firi ho. Obi wo so atu sika entimi ntina ne nsem. Omo asika to ne nsemu na amane ato ne na sika na hye ye de kubensuo na ye firi ho no. Obi wo ha enome edi nachi omufie nomi bi wo mufie ida se omu nyini nche ana sika ni fie ho enkwala doso pa so ene ofa ante brago a wo be 12 enso ne mari nyina obi anya $100,000 da saa no me no ye gina ye wo fie ye de kubensuo na eyi obi wo ha now the third baptism so ye de kubensuo na eye the third baptism o se wo hon konkunu asubo ene wo ensuo mu asubo. Now the third baptism ye de kubensuo na eye. What you say ye de kubensuo na eye. What you say ye de kubensuo na eye. Sanity enti ebu wo ha no me ene sane o mane hawa obi wo ha spiritual marriage no wa bompa ya abo ebu ejise o de kubensuo na eye. Obi wo so a sasa di nachi so ati ase obi wo ha sasa di nachi obi wo ha sasa di nachi sasa na di nachi no eno na eha no nti eno no ye de kubensuo ne ye de yiye firi ho ama obi wo so a ne kra emre obi wo ha ne kra emre spiritually so onya encounter you see spiritually onya encounter sa nipa no ontimi fight even in his or her dream state obi wo ha onya spiritual encounter ontimi fight sa nkrofo no omo kra nyina emre obi wo ha se bibi attack no anadwo a ontimi nsori nyina e wo ne dayem fight adekode ne kra emre ne kra nye strong sa nkrofo no se ne kra no opese o man ne kra no ye dia agise o de kubensuo na ye ma no. So the person's soul will become very strong as well. What you say? So that is the truth about everything. Now, kubensuo krona so no. It is I have it on my desk here. It does a lot of things. And to kubensuo there, I don't joke with it, okay? I don't joke with it. Sanity. Obi wa o pese o de o sie. See, maybe o pese o de o kra sie. Okay, kind Psalm 91. Osi twedi ampo nwuna se. Sa twedi ampo nwuna se no. Eye blue race. Sa blue race no. Ye de kubensuo na eye. E de manipa no. Na onyankopon de okra ehinta watamfo. Enti saa okra na onyankopon de ehinta watamfo no. Se ka ekohwe ase. Omu nyina bewu. Onko ade wuntimi mu adentia because okra no ehinta. Amanye bi ebesi bia no. Wo ebi nkaunda adentia because okra no ehinta. Na saa blue ray light no eno no ye de kubensuo na eye e de manipa no. Saa na tie. Saa na tie. Enti enema miensa bi wo ha unyini a unya 45 a saa enema miensa no enum ni baako ani kubensuo de ntia me ka kubensuo no unyini a de help aye diabetes ni asichire masichire kosoro my pressure kosoro makoma kosoro saa enema ni nyina saa nsem hunu no umpe bi atia enema kubensuo emel saa na tie. Reverend Tinedu, the Sprite is a man-made thing. The Sprite is a man-made thing. The Sprite is a man-made thing. And every man-made thing has a side implication, which is very bad. Sorry, I had an interruption in the network system. So I'm very sorry about that. Palm wine dear. Palm wine biara ono mo a ebebo tienie mo amonom apetition ensanfuo ebebo obi onom sanfuo biara ebebo ensanfuo bo enti onipa bia onom sanfuo biara ne kra ejija secret wo mu no o kra ejija obi onom sanfuo biara ne kra ejija. One day I will take my time to come and prove to you. Eti okra ni dija ubonse misbehave. Onipa bi onum sanfo bi an kra dija enti na bo se na misbehave. Enti Samson okonum sanfo enti na misbehave ye no. Noah okonum ensa te say Jews a eye keka. Aw say Samson na oye doka. Aw say doka na oyi emunsan. Aw say ye wo abe ene ye wo doka ensanfuo ene ma Samson ye nya no adentia wo a ensanfuo penetrate system bia no ema ujija enti okra na jija no wo ye den ube misbehave enti me ensanfuo die enimwa bia de boa hwe wo firi ho. The GMOs. They are GMOs. Felix Bibi. There are GMOs on the market, okay? Genetic modified fruits on the market. And all those fruits are very dangerous. Ask yourself that if there is any fruit on earth that doesn't have a seed in it, then how did we came about that particular fruit? Every fruit must have a seed. Every fruit must have a seed. Every single fruit must have a seed. Every fruit that doesn't have any seed, then it means it is GMO, genetic modified food, and it was prepared in the laboratory. And once you consume it, it will give you a health defect. A fruit to burn any diaba. Then kabeden ya produce its kind. Tell me, I saw food are any fruit are any ediaba. It is a bema only sperms. Na bema only sperms. A better than what me out. Oh, bema be on a massassi with so only sperms da. Bema ben or namasasi we so only sperms. Bema bia or sperms. I don't know otimi produce his own kind. What you say? Bema or sperms and it will produce your own kind. It is a fruit to be a wasasi we so any aduaba dia any self fruit to the name nyame ne dua ye. E you nipa da sani na prepare no lab. E nipa da sani na prepare no lab. Enti eno no udia sama hu ye watermelons ni bi. Ye grapes ene grapes bi wo ha any fruit wane ka kire na nka be ye den na nka yetimi produce sa grapes ni bi. Ye grapes ni bi wo ha omu produce no lab. Ene ye kosua kra ye produce. Me wo videos ni nyina wo ho. If you want to learn how to produce egg artificially, I can show you the video. I can show you the video how they go about producing egg from the laboratory. Anybody who said that is a lie. During Sewa Brefo, Obi o kan say bia oboa. Obi o kan say bia o ye trofo. Obi o kan say bia o ye trofo. Obi o kan say bia o ye trofo. Linda says watermelons are seedless too. It is a lie. Those watermelons were prepared at the laboratory. Share watermelon bia any aduaba bia eni da watermelon bia ye de be ma wo tienie watermelon bia ye de be ma wo bia eni aduaba bia me opatafo se enye nyame na boye eye scientist for and prepare no lab ye fro sa nuane no ye fro no GMOs, genetic modified foods. And then you will kuba ya prepare no lab kube nyina you kuba ya prepare no lab. Now the question in here is that if there's a watermelon that is seedless, then how do we produce its own kind? Because it is through the seed that when you tilt the ground and then plant the seed in it, couple of months to come, then it will germinate. If you understand what I'm saying. So how can we have a seedless watermelon? And how do you intend to produce its kind? Watermelon ediaba bia ni ho, ediaba ni. Na ediaba na any watermelon ni mo no, ebeye den yetimi asa dua bi because ediaba no ene yedi dua ema watermelon efifi. Na wo so watermelon no ediaba ni mu a busa se ebeye den na sa watermelon ya prepare ana yetimi anya biem. Nyankopon oye onyansafo. Watermelon bia obehu se ye ton aduaba nim no me opatafo na me se me se me opatafo me se sa aduano no eye enipa na duae e wo lab eni na onipa ewu ti se moa no. How the way enipa ewu this end time, people are dying just like that. Do you know why? Because of the food that you people have been eating. Miti we no akoma me grapes. O see grapes no eni aduaba. Na wasembe na aka nsa no. Na be ye de na sa grapes no anka yetimi produce bi. E be de na ebi atimi aba biem. Enti onyankopon nim die mu no. Obo watermelon no e na odi aduaba hyem se wudi watermelon na wayiyi aduaba no na wodi adua na ebi asa aba biem. Na watermelon aduaba nim de ebeye de na yetimi adua na yasa anya biem. Anka aduaba nim kwadu sa ene kwadu body ene obehu body bi na yekutu ni nyina ya prepare. So get that, okay? Get that. And then a bro nyina ebro nyina ene ebro nyina omo de omo prepare no lab. What you say? Madam Linda says they do that because the seed don't grow fast enough for them. No, it's not like that. They might tell you that is the reasons behind it, but the reason is to depopulate the human race. I'm telling you that the elite class, the first class citizens, I'm talking in respect of the president in the nations of our world, people who belongs to first class societies, occultic societies, they will never eat it. Have you asked yourself that? Ever since Bill Gates engineered vaccination, has he ever been vaccinated before? Has he ever been vaccinated before? Ask yourself. Wabusa ho die ntia mo ayewo mu 1990, 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995, 96, 97, 98, 99. Mo ayewo mo panie wo mabati nyina an se mark bi da ho. Mo sa ankrofo no on se mu dware ana mo honam ye mo hene. Wabusa ho die ntia wadware awie no na ohonam ye otete na ye wo hene na wo se adwu wabusa ho se die ntia mo am ye mam sa vaccine no ye wo mo sa enuro no from 1990 mo ye wo mo 1990 mo ye wo mo 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 mo busa mo se edie ntina udware ya na honam sa ya ohene ntu fi se covid ye ba yi enti brigade wo pan ye bibi aya niam bi wo ha amote ho a mumusebusa mo honam nwini nkwa akiri enti mesrew aduaba bia abekwa akodi aduaba bia she mo mo banyina 90 91 92 93 94 obia wo mark ne won ha obusa ahodi ntia wabusa ahodi ntia mo udware wi na ho tetew honam ye ohene nti ukoto se omu ton aduro bia no akotobi ufi se aduro no be ma wo ho na ye ohene no ena sa ankrofo we herbal medicine for no omahu say trick a ewo system ni muni enti ubehu herbal medicine for no ena wa udware a ho ye ohene bia no aduro we na mede be ma wo 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 ena omode ya deceive nkrofo na mato nuru a aduro na wato no se be ya ho na ye ohene no ebejai enyai da adentia because omode vaccine no omode fry no omode awo afra omoja o ga say easy oh my goodness. So please, you must understand certain things, okay? And you may be what make kind of credit actual. Yes. Ebenezer says, Papa, I was working in a particular shopping mall and all the seedless fruits were all imported. Yes. They are all prepared at the laboratory. Okay. Nana J says, Papa, you are right. The medical doctors I work with, there was outbreak of cholera and monkeypox in the western region. But when we were told to vaccinate ourselves first, they didn't do it. Ask yourself, why didn't they do it? Because they know a secret. And then kosua mudi nyina ya prepare no lab. And the majority of the eggs you people have been taking, you prepare sa kosua ni nyina wo lab. Nti wo fi se wo di kosua o, but oboa nye kosua. Na me say, wo busa ho say, edie be ntina enipa ewu dodo, show, echina wo yewu. Omo wu nyina so ye young girls, young men. Have you asked yourself why people have been kicking the bucket frequently these days? 45, 48, 38, 29. You know something? The things we people have been consuming that is causing harm to us. Today, as I speak with you, there are some rice. Today, there are some rice on the market that I know personally, which are rubber. It's a combination of rubber and other chemicals. It is never a normal rice. There are some fish that I know which were prepared at the laboratory. Fish, real fish. There are some meats that I know which were prepared at the laboratory. I have all of them listed on my phone. You see, so it's a lot. A lot is going on. And the agenda is to depopulate the world. And the rich people, they will never buy that. They know the truth. The elite ones, the first class in the society, they know the truth. They will never buy it. I'm telling you, OPATAFUOR, take this from me. They will never buy it. They know the truth. They know the truth. I'm telling you the truth. They know the truth. They will never buy those foodstuffs. What be that? Omunim no kure no na mo no a Christopher no yenya mo papa o ka no kure kire obi kura no na o fight you o ka no kure kire o yonku Christo ni no na o fight you ndi saa na beye o saa na beye emo ye wo mo a udi a ready. And more a one market. Imagine fish you prepare. Fish you prepare no lab. And then tilapia kuma kum nipa. Tilapia. We need the intia. Omo the chemical be fra tilapia no. And the tilapia no kum nipa fucking. I'm telling you, the tilapia you people know it. Oh, kai. Ekum nipa tu udi agro. Let me keep my mouth shut. Oh, go enjoy life, go and eat it, okay? Don't be afraid. If you see any rice, eat it. Any seedless fruit, eat it. Do not be afraid, okay? My goodness. Eat everything. Anything you see, okay? Eat it. Anything that you see, eat it, okay? Eat it. Must say, Oko can say, I opatafuo mfiri nyame. Hey, why are you? Eti sister, pacho nyeize sa. Nnuane na mudi ni de eno ade beku ye nyina wan. Nnuane ni beku mu na nnuane ni mom tene ase. Kontomire beku na ono abe president. So the contemporary will become president, and you being the human, you are no more. So please, Panda says, Papa, can we make homemade milk? Let me tell you, you can even make heaven milk. Still, it is not good for your consumption. Take it from me. You can even make heaven milk. It is not good for your health. I'm telling you the truth. When you research Panda, when you research OPATAFUOR my mimbie manon kasakeke o. Mimbie manon kasakeke. Opekura akoye milk no heaven. Me say nyema o. Enyema o. Oye bema milk no enyema wate. Okay, let's move on. Linda says, yes, Papa, what's the other two things? The other two things. Why do you people want me to give you everything for free? I've given you coconut water. For free. I didn't take anything. You want me to give you the two for free? Oh, like Linda, other than Linda, open a foodie dear sir. Sir, two. And no me the divine destiny clan phone. Na omoti nyenyi na che. What I say? Nana Jesus, about what you said about the population of the world and how they are planning to prepare a place for the elites once a year ago. I heard a news about it on Thursday after the astronauts came back. Yes, after the astronaut came back. Linda says, Papa, please don't do that to your babies. My babies, they can eat everything, okay? My babies can eat everything. Eat it. Eat it. Papa, please, even coconut and almond milk is not good. Josephine Boate, my sweetheart, let me tell you. You are a woman, right? Okay, as for a woman, you can take it. As for a woman, you can take it. But as for a man, don't try it. So that's the whole issue. Oh yeah, Bema. Ma coconut water and male. Okay, get close to coconut water. Increase the intake of coconut water. Okay, increase it. Coconut water. What I know about coconut water, if I'm to tell you, you'll be shocked. And the research I've conducted, I have used coconut water to heal so many people who have diabetes. So please, I will not deny you this fact. Please, increase the intake of coconut water if you are beyond 45 years of age. Obi obaka se kubensuo nyema obi a. Now unim say kubensuo na etimi fight glaucoma ana unim say more na wunyini na wani ehu ade yie ha sister so obi ka kiro say oye oba na uduru mpanyin fie so a kokube nsuo de enyema wa he wadi wabro nipa no watwa ntro pa edi uko owuom na akiro because kube nsuo ehohoro onipa ni waso kube nsuo hohoro nipa ni waso kube nsuo ebeni fat mi hu ensuo a ana drink ya apart from me drink ba ku bia me wo apart from me drink ba ku bia me wo eno de me ana me ma de special na o ye me de me mfama apart from sad drinking mi hu adie bia a benefit a chain kube nsuo mi hu adie a ono a ehohoro wakoma ho a chain kube nsuo entina onom kube nsuo ana odwonso ntentem na onim se adie bia onom a odwonso ntentem bia no eyi toxins enioma enka ewo se a deposit wo system ni mu a ebe house system no ama dachi abeko atia wo no eyi ni nyina free system ni mu eyi ni nyina free system ni mu e ma wo ye kama kubensuo ma wo ye kama o say omo say wanyini a mennum kubensuo especially oye oba no kure etimi ma said ye wo kan sorry ampa but eno na sorry ne nkire say enye eboa ema wo estrogen no eno so increase o libido no so increase o level no oba bi wo ha watinka nyina ewu imagine oba dado wa wo no kura wonte na tinka ewu sister no na tinka nyina ewu emma bibiri ena be man timi satisfy ni nyina dodo na wa tinka ewu ha matinka nyina ewu ukoka sisia o say watinka ewu ha enye kubensuo na abenonom na wate ohun atimi asa onipadua no baabi kura abobo apo onipadua no baabi kura abobo apo num kubensuo na ohun sane wa okoka kire mi say yi na ye ohun nyina ewu sister jai ha sister iti wo on tehwe na tinka nyina obi wo ho na tinka wo China mem na ono mom ti America obi wo ho watinka no I travel all the way to China obi die ko Philippines obi die wo Bangladesh obi die wo baby na ono mom ti America enti na tinka wo chiri enti de bia je se bema ubetimi afa ya sa oba we ya this okope lawyers enunti na mema no mununom eya na ema na adwene ye omo se eye mema no na problem na free wo omo enunti na e wo se bema umpeo onunum bitters na osisimu ye de na utimi power oba no be 3 hours sa adwene no minim ba bia mkonya sa adwene ni free ye sa adwene no mkonya sa adwene ni free eye sa na tie oba no watinka wa chiri enti ohun mantem enema na mudi no matinka nyina wuwu na motetete wo na modi problem na gu memma so na ade atia bitters be ma koye ne hu aduro na wo oba ne de onkoye hu aduro oba ntontom ka wa wonte ni watinka na wu oba ntontom ka wa wonte entontom timbesi hu no wa no moja sa sister no watuko wa ante anya watinka na wu na Doreen me say estrogen levels now okan oba wo estrogen enye na ma wate nka pega enti increase estrogen e ma wo libido level no kosoro watenka kosoro enti obema de oba de estrogen be ma testosterone watenka no watenka na manya kube nsuo na menom na kube nsuo no ebe increase me estrogen wo se ye no de yenye na ebia unya obi ntwu dorin bia unya obi ntwu obi de obenyu obi atwi no enti mane nom ne kube nsuo yi wo se yese asa de mo amoye single no asa mini how I may put statement no mo amoye single no asa omo ye couples no omo enjoy life asa ye mo ya bi sei enti mo pese mo amoye singles no mo shemra e de mass couples no na what be that ebe yi dorin dorin pa obi ono ye couple na owo ni kunu owo ni fiancé bi she baabi no wo single wo na abehye mrade ama no se yese nyema ona onum a o estrogen ekosoro sister na nya one no watenka na ekosoro anya ho ne bantem mai soli a omo complain ena mi kunu ntimi satisfy me ena mi kunu de ontimi mu adwuma ena mi kunu sisi ma yemre nyina omu nyina omo atenka tekọ I say radio a frequency na tekọ no ana odi na ni bre nyina gu tilapia ni banku su na sister ye di banku ni tilapia sa ahwimako because na tenka nyina tekọ mo mi di machi a meka de ye nka mo mi di machi a so please with all due respect, okay, di ni oma papa banku shishishi na sister ye ti ache nanum banku shishishi na sister no wate ache nanum na ode ne chechire me huru na odi na tinka nyina atekọ na ode ti wonom okoka na sister ya muna atinka na tekọ banku shishishi ode chechire ma ebo ni totas ewo wanum na adwo na wa mene watinka atekọ sister atekọ mami nka Dorin koka se maminti ase yese wonum kubensu a Dorin pa na Dorin obi hu ba na ye ya o sana osusu ban tie Dorin obi hu ba na ye ya o enti wo oh my goodness. So please, all these things are part of human life, okay? You must eat healthy. You must eat healthy. You must eat healthy. You must eat healthy. Oh, Emma bebre me OPATAFUOR na meka. Me say ma bebre o matenka eni ho. O matenka ko. O matenka eko. I say abrofo o matinka eni ho abrofo atinka ho enti majority of abrofo no matinka enwui enti ubon say ukisi brofo kra ukisi buroni kitwe bia na ne ho aba ema no ukisi buroni ba kitwe bi kra na ne ho asane no yi but bibini ba de upa kofa doma machine ebetwa na no kura afiri ho ne toto na no na wi still the homa upa ye star bia bi snake in the eagle shadow ne homa upa aboni doggy ne homa upa manenda ho flat ne homa upa boni kunfu ana upa abotai kwando ni nyina sister enu aso oda ho no hewdi se du fochia eda kwa mu a obo atra no ni nyina nse na tenka ateko okoka se sister yi ensiesie ne ho a na ne bu afu me de meka o meka o de okwa a kone koka se opatafoɔ no hu ni saa no onye papa o meka. You must work on yourself. You must work on yourself. Work on yourself as a woman. Work on yourself. It's not every day that the men are supposed to go and get beaters. And then a member be chichichere. You are going to satisfy a woman into chichichere. Na wakoto shemsu spray. Na odi spray into brand nam ho nyina no. Se nyame ba sisia no woro ni nika. Se watwi achechire no odi gina ho awa pretend say bibia nsiye no. Bra na hyeda wa yi ni be ma to sem no odi spray agugu ho an wode polythene black sentomago na odi achechire. And we jana sinse na nam ho na akwa ne nam ho awa ne ho say on de onye ahwe ensam woni a wadie no. So imagine you are doing chichichere and then the angel of God descend and then he asks you, my son, what are you doing? What will you say to the angel? That is the question. She say, Bema wakoshe bath house, and now Bema oshe kitchen, and the wuchi achechere, and then yankupo appeals. Then yankupo say akwapa no kwafo osi aja na die na woye no. Samri we you Obema agu nsemu a asa odi bibi fa ho yi e die na akoye die na beka kire urade. Oh my goodness. Please. So you must work on yourself, okay? The women. I always tell the women that you don't necessarily need a man to sleep with you for even 30 minutes. No. I think now also when Bema suhum saham sa etika opese se Bema na shasie anopa servia na nyumre servia enka almost suhum saham sa 7:30 ana 8 a day. Enye saa na Nyankopon ye no sister, enye saa na nyame ye no. Na emom no de etie ne se watinka wa akiri toto. Eniani bia wadidi ni enam bia wawewe ni akrantiem kwan bia wadidi. Wo senka akọ reset o system no as a woman. Na Bema edi ne nsa count kitwa bi kura. Ho ahyase afofo. Na are you ready to receive the man? We dey da. Sister ye titiriti wa dani pobiri. E dey enkono no. Na nso obey enam adam kwan ya ehiem na sise ya tam no de ne siesi suka bo na wo one nam na pre na ohuhu na num huhu ha na oblo mframa gu nam ihu ansa na enam na adwo na sister yi kabo no amene na onim se ni nyina no fight watenka enam eda kwanse mu a ehie na sister yi watam awe na de wuyi nti sister abako heaven Santini ba, aigweni ba, enkrani ba, kroboni ba, enamwa ehye na watamu awie yo. Enamwa edam kwa ya ehurum. Watimi ahwe nyame ani watamu awe. Nti ubeko heaven. Nana J says, Papa, please, there are some secrets you don't have to share about women, about the spray. It is not good. Don't use the spray, okay? Bema. Ti Bema unya friend na adwumboni aba Bema ni tirim. Bra iti ho a woye ne ho se o hwe TV nyina oboa. Bra na adwumboni we ni tirim. We hwi achechire na hye ni kamu odisi wo saa no. On kind of correct, but I will or boy with actually. One of the major effect of pepper, and also no, reduce the intake of pepper, or else what think about. One of the major thing emako edi ye man no secret pa no watinka nyina teko na sister editi wo saada de bia on de osolia be ma no mum ne nkope bites nom no on famra fie na bra yi suti wa o YouTube abrochirefo especially America ni UK fo de omo tete dem ena omo tie radio tie radio no omo tie no enye asem no omo kan radio sulu no omo tie o omo hese new bitters bi aba anase capsules bi aba de omo pese omo tie anse we de obetimi abo ba no kofie kowu obetimi abo de se patoja saa na UK bloggers fo omo petie omo pedura ebetimi amo abo ba patupa obetimi abo ba no kofie kowu na wa nti obi baba o peduro e de abo no kofie kowu eye so you see na America for so de namfa America for bibie kowu ekra omo sa America for no bibie kowu ekra omo no omo so afrefie enkanka se ofase bia onso pega mambo enie na enie ni nyina na abo ano kakra bi no afre no ofase na onte de ekọ yesi ayi bia pio ofa de ya check hwese obenya yesi capsules bi pa nie enie onuma yesi utimi bo ba no kofie kowu na ofase no so eja se okoto aduro na ye de kakra beto so ama no na ofase no so ne nam enti akwa no kegetia na okọ nyina ne wofa na asoma ne se onkope lawyer a wonum a obetimi abo obi baba kofie kowu ene onam kwa mu ko no you see, you must work on yourself, okay? With all due respect, if you want to enjoy your marriage, if you want to enjoy your woman, if you want to enjoy your man, please work on yourself. It's very important. Sanity. But to passages. Obadie se watinka ni akira be ma ni ditwitwi animu kura bo se na afọ nanka aka be 2-3-4 minutes bi nanka ho abaa na eno ano no we su die gi se be ma ni ye kunfun stage na esesa ona nyina agu no ko ho eye shefu Radi nyangopo ubewo nana je ubewo de oye no osuma se no aje ubewu se o de tokoso na ye Bema bi wo so a so wa no milk sa milk ade ede we di shawama sa di ade ede sa na ni sisi mu nyina ye mremremremremremremre ono so nyankopon ankasa no so onye ni bibi kwa o odidi milk ne ne oma sa wa anye oho aduru afi a match na duru ho no ene wakonom capsules enti wagene o se capsule no ebe boa o so bo se o so di twi animu a na ho aba na wani matwa o sanity enti work on yourselves, especially a man amatinka atete kono eya momfa gloves monnoa mudi gunsuom eya nyam na mebekire wo akokọ ye oho aduro de kọ kawe mi ya ye mistake akire maduro ka mi ya ye mistake pa akire maduro Huh? Oh my goodness. So please, with all due respect, with all due respect, with all due respect, work on yourself, okay? Viagra. Na Viagra no ono yesi ono kura na Viagra na bamu abu. Linda says Viagra is no good for men. Do you people still use Viagra? Viagra. Enemre mu Viagra. Na enemre mu oba be na Viagra betimi no. E man na abando mbo Champions League. Linda. E man ya ba Viagra. Be ma be na betimi anum Viagra de akọ power be ma. Ai oba. E man na aba na Viagra ntimi wo mu. E man na aba na twichichire ne timi wo mo ene utwi udi spray ho na de se rubber se quality o se ntomago na de akekere ho na wakotena sidi na ebo nyinya na wa se de wo hwebo no enso wo bo hwebo wo focus nyina wa ase ho enem ya aba ya ombo Champions League o akohia oba bia ono obo Barca ana Real Madrid o se wakono Viagra mienu ana miensa odi kogina danim apu ene Viagra kora nya adwuma bi ene ema no China fo nuro kora ntimi wo mo ene China fo ankomu wo nuro kora no omaduro ni ntimi ma no. How much more Viagra there? Don't waste your time, because Viagra will not work for you. Bishop Belinda Brown, so for mommy, Bibia Bokodie. Okay, thank you very much as well. You are welcome. And then Viagra na odi koshia oba. Oh, bra, would do any to Viagra so when be guasie we are ketini kind of crack, because a man about Viagra ntimi o China phone nuro we decide so cry man ntimi wo we decide and cry ntimi wo o se Viagra there so enchina wa yire. So basically, that's the whole show. You must enjoy yourself, okay? Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your fully self. If you are a man or a woman, enjoy your fully self. When inji unya and one unya baby koye patu paso jabi ada obi wuno. Odi ade ni nyina kosha asase ase. Enti de bia mitu adofuofu say mo waninje Bishop Belinda Brown says any recommendation, please, recommendation be ade yanka o kire mi mu a so for maame nanka mahu de be ye mo waninje why mo waninje mo obi ahunahuna obi antimi hunahuna. My goodness. Oh my goodness. So you see, you must be very careful with some of the medicines that you people have been taking in. Felix Bibi says, Papa, weedy size is for farming. Yes, I know weedy size is for farming, but I know what I'm saying. Linda, Baba, you still haven't said the last 2 years. I will not give it to you. I have given it to my Divine Destiny Clan members. If you understand what I'm saying. Misra Mopa, you must enjoy yourselves, okay? Eva Dubois said, how can we use the gloves? Oh, Eva, unkwa unti mechero, pe akikadru, opa chicha akikadru into pieces, and kete. Pe akikadru, nekitwamu into pieces, and kete. Never go adiem, ne kope gloves dodo bi a opebia ne fa ka ho ne hwie ensuo gu ho ne noa enoa be 15-20 uhu se hura ma ne huru be 15-20-30 minutes me pacho ne wajai anopa ana anwumre hwie bi ne no anopa empty stomach no hwie bi ano hwie bi no ma be 5 minutes no akodidi anwumre no anum bi ansa no wadidi opa anum ne saa 1 week obaba be ka no kura kire me wo so oba no obeye clean come on yeast infection biano ebe cleaning in every ho obi wo ho a sebe heat ewura wase ntama sebe wase aye kese onnom saa de ma kire na ebe kan nyina moa ebe ka tokro bia sebe abeda wase na heat mo a motena se eche emma na mo driving no emma na mo drive mo cars no obi wo ha wotena se cha unim de yew wotena se cha obi wo ha wo hye jeans na wo hye no heat be ginam ema sabi heat ko wase ba wonya we enti heat su ko wase a ema sabi wase ye kese enti wa hwe ya obi beka se wa hwe ya ukunu ana ofiansi beka se bia wo gba adwaman wo nachi ana de enti amumu bebre mo ya mo se mema ne bema ya nketenkete no enye mema ne bema na ya ketwa mu bebre heat e na wurawura mo ase ama sebe mo ase ababai enti instead of say mo be ye mo ho aduro na mo ase asa ka atum no mo nye ene ma wo mema na gum no mo gum market ene de bia mo pe bites eye mo e ma ni mom ene wo say mo working on yourselves eti nom ubo se ni nyina be ka hia onum no 1 week a ubo se watinka nyina be sa aba back watinka na atiko akodo China ma mu ni nyina be sa aba back na e ma ni bebre mu atinka kokora na motete ho ha esa ready. Nana J says, Papa, please, can men also take it? Well, men can take it, but for the men, you must add something to it before you take it. But for women, just that. Obi oha emoja abobotwa na aka emoja obuni nsa onya menstrual cramps this man. What I have given to you, when you take it, any hidden deposited blood via account who baby wo arteries mu and now baby bi entimin pie abontin bia no ni nyina be pie ube sweet. If you are a lady, it is not about going to any juju for any magical charms so that you become sweet for your partner to buy you something. No. The natural kono, you become sweet. Ubon se bema no onom no 1 week a ubon se watinka na be saba. Enti uni ukunu kohia wanwe a obet ebe out said ye afa na ukunu break you virgin no ebe because ebe mo wase aka tum na ye ketwa kama enti ubo say ase bema no afa na o break you virginity. What you say? And to also your hu. Constance there only heaven I say you China ni India no emu wase. Oh my goodness. So please, you God created all these things and it has literally become part of human. And you see, Christians are hypocrites. If you understand what I'm saying, Christians have become hypocrites. when you are teaching something like this, they will pretend as if they don't like it. No, it is part of human. It is part of human. It is part of human. You see, Bema Bia or Babia or the Watinka Quachi Biano. Kokoya dear machina or no dear no. Or no one. Once a bit tighty. A bit tighty engine will come. Na emwaye we say kama na flow na ye kama na afi susu ayi sabi enka bia ne bibia afiro ho na waye kama obeye we say kama. Go and enjoy life. What do you say? Go and enjoy life. Go and enjoy life. Okay? So that you'll be a blessing. And don't forget, very soon I'll be dropping the direction for the perfume. I'll be dropping the direction for the perfume, so don't forget. So enjoy yourselves. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourselves. Enjoy yourselves. One day, me brem me man so duru. One day, we be man me bre we duru. Now they ahuhuru sisim. Now sisini mu ayemre no nani nyina milk na wadidi ne asichire na wadidi ama sisimu ayemre ni nyina. Me ba me bre we duru. Nani nyina firu sisimu ko. Memo wa ye champion 3 days. Fie ho ama o say yes. Asema commando kan ye no usu betimi aka bi say I'm back again. Right? So good night and enjoy yourselves. We shall meet, if God permits, maybe next year, 2027. So tonight, yesterday, the way I actually spoke, people didn't like it. Why? Because I was saying today is OPATAFUOR's 1 week and stuff like that. So they didn't like it. This is the more reason why today I intentionally diverted their attention. So good night and enjoy yourselves. So imagine, hey, Bema, chichichiri, wafre ubi baba se womra, na watwi achichiri, and wahead aye, wati akunyani mu waye lem, na uchichichiri wie ya na Gabriel, abase emre duru se yebefa okọ heaven, bra, uze waboka, uchichichiri wie ya na Gabriel ba ya, wabefa okọ heaven, uze waboka. Now Gabriel do heaven. Usu na watwi achichiri. Na adie ya peja na ugina urade anim. Na urade hwe udi akwapa no kwafo na die na peja wase we. Die na abeka, die pa na abeka. Minim se mumu bi die makoko ka kire urade se wa wani twa. Nyezu urade ye mema ya bro. Nyezi. Linda says, Papa, wouldn't that stop blood flow? What's that? Linda, please, can you tell me what will stop blood flow? Tell me. Linda, I'm waiting for you before I sign out. Kwedrapi Asante, big ups to you, sir. I believe you are doing well. So imagine part to passages. It shall be well. the word, it says the word you said. I can't type it in P. Which of them? The chichichiri or what? Dufie says, Papa, please, what is the chichichiri? Hey, Dufie, won't you be asiana? Unim chichichiri. Chichichiri na ye durobi. Mema ni benya machi a no makọ chi nom de afifa fifa mbema ho no. Wo de ade a chichiri ho te se de wo chichiri nam ho no. Na watwen ya for be 30 minutes. Wako bath house akohoro say duro ni nyina egu. Ansa na wa bebo match no tie frɛ ni twichichiri. Linda, you must understand that everything has a side effect. Once it is not natural, it should tell you that there are some health implications. So, yes, as you are saying, it triggered something. Chichichiri. Your friend chichichiri. Ebisu use dragon spray. Match ba kunti wakoto dragon. Na old dragon no kura beti imagine nani. Make say your memo mo hwemia. Dragon spray esisi wo mo dem secretly. Hey, Tinedu, is it true? Tinedu says, Papa, sometimes the women buy them for the men. Is it true? I'm dead, then my woman will buy me dragon spray. Hey, sister, boy, yeah, boy. Enipa ebeji di ewo wiase a match baako a ye bebo gisem ko high dragon power. Hey, sister, e wiase. Okay, good night. Hey, Constance, your husband is asking you what is chichichiri. Oh, explain to him for me, okay? Chichichiri, it is helping the boys in this end time. The chichichiri has become a savior for the boys. Ajenkwa chichichiri. I say yeah, dear, yajenkwa ni Yesu Kristo. But boys read the wimrimu ajenkwa chichichiri. Ajenkwa dragon spray. Okay, so it sounds good. It shall be well. We will meet basically tomorrow exactly 12 o'clock in the afternoon times. We're going to meet on this same channel. Take note of that. It will be about where we've actually gotten to regarding the building. Maybe a 9 year duro. See ya plaster ho nyina enti. A dan ho nyina baby ya plaster duro no. And I'm the bachelor. Teacher Ibishia. Chichichiri. Eh? Ube hu papa pay mu pa no oshe bath house. O twia chichiri. Hey, Nyankopon de ohu nioma o. Because imagine if I am God of which I'm not, and I can never be, living in the outer space, looking down here on earth, having the capacity to see through all opaque objects. So if people are in their room, you can see them. And then you see somebody, an old man, who is supposed to teach children or introduce the children to Jesus. Then you are hiding at the bathhouse using dragon spray, chichichiri, and shemsu spray. Hey, and your man it helps, okay? It helps. Once you can't face the woman with the natural eyes, you go and hire a lawyer. It's good, but make sure you trade safely, okay? I respect you all so much. Kwadjabia says, Patupa soldiers are suffering in secrecy. Ebenezer Dunya, or say, Papa, please, will all these things come to judgment? Now, obepe feelings, as I do not tell Ebenezer, obepe feelings, as I pay adwene atemu. Okay, Doreen says there is another one in the room. Doreen says, please, Papa, taking carrots or pineapple some minutes before tatata helps rises libido and make you sweet. Okay, you the woman, right? You the woman. Okay, I see. So please, the women in the room, another expert has left something at the page, and she said if you take carrot or pineapple some minutes before tatata, it helps rises your libido and it makes you sweet. Okay, so please, tonight, go and take carrot and pineapple so that you'll be sweet, okay? All the married ones in the building, something is out. Go and try it and let's see something. Ebenezer says heaven is the goal, Papa. Yes, heaven is the goal, but tatata is also part of the heavenly goal, because God in his own infinite wisdom understands the realities of human existence, and he attached that particular act to humanity. So it is important. You see, when you are a woman and you are not doing tatata, your way of thinking is different. Your behavioral patterns changes, of which I don't want to talk about that. Linda says, Papa, please, is it true that you smell like what you eat? Well, 50% truth. Let's say 60% truth. Okay. So it's also part of human life, and there's nothing you can do about it. And let me tell you the truth. Okay, let me pause there. We will meet tomorrow. Good night.